So I wanted to make this video because putting on this rubber gasket for this LG is the biggest pain in the neck job to attach it to the tub. So the best way that I do it to struggle the least is this right hand side hook has kind of an opening. So I take my channel locks and I close that opening as much as I can. I turn it into as much of a circle as possible so that when I insert the spring stretching tool, the shaft doesn't easily snap out. And then what I do is I hook it and I work it as far up to the gasket as I possibly can with the stretcher tool in this hole, which is on the it's on the stationary piece of metal, and then on this side I put it into the spring, but I hook everything up already, and then I just stretch it. And sometimes it'll come out, the stretching tool will pop out on this side here, but you have to just work fast to stretch it so that it'll work. You see? And then you kind of have to work it off. To leave it on. But this is a pain in the neck job to put the rubber on the gasket. And that's how I do it. So make sure that you leave that hook on, and you just kind of hook it, and then you stretch the entire thing. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.